Welcome. I'm Dennis Quaid. Connectivity is dictated by the tools with which we do business and the social mediums through which we interact. With smartphones, tablets, and online access readily available, mobile applications and platforms continue to shape the future of commerce, as we're about to see.
In many ways, the 1800s can be defined by the impact of the worldwide gold rush. Soon after, the oil boom encapsulated the 1920s in America after the introduction of an innovative refining method. Today, the most important modern-day commodity isn't something that can be melted into a 24-karat bar or pumped into our gas tanks, but it's absolutely essential to solving some of the world's most pressing issues, from sustainability to efficient manufacturing and everything in between.
Data is the new currency. Every piece of information that is flowing around the world right now is producing insights and value for corporations, for organizations, for higher education. Everything that makes the world go round is generated by data. The AI revolution is because of data. There is no AI without data. So producing data from machines, from equipment, from supply chains is valuable.
When people started talking about the IoT 12 years ago, people got very excited about that potential. I've worked in this space my entire career, and I too have shared that excitement when you saw the emergence of these tools and the excitement of being able to ingest petabytes of data and process that data in a second. That excitement blinded us to the reality that we hadn't solved the core problem, which was getting the data from the physical world into the IT world. If you look around you, there are numerous devices that could be collecting data, and yet today that data is not available for analysis. And it's being replaced in the past largely by guesswork. Companies have had to guess how to optimize the system, how to tweak how a refrigerator works in order to generate a longer lifespan or consume less electricity. Guesswork is fallible. Data allows us to have certainty about how to improve things. So we've left all of that value on the table.
I started working on connected sensors because I was interested in how data from sensors could improve lives in the developing world. I did a whole PhD program on designing and deploying smart sensors into developing world contexts. The problem with deploying sensors in some of these places is that you might be a 2-day motorbike ride from the nearest Wi-Fi network. There's a tension today in smart and connected products. One, there's an expectation that new products should be smart and connected to the cloud, but also connecting devices to the cloud with handmade, home-rolled solutions is very challenging. So what do we do in a world where we want to connect millions or billions of new sensors to the internet? We need a way to solve the connectivity solution and not have every engineer in the world solve the same problems over and over again.
What most developers really want is a simple hardware solution to write an instruction about what should happen to the data, and they want that to be it. And then I can focus on the application and what I'm going to do with that data.
We're glad you could join us today. I'm Dennis Quaid. See you next time.